Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Test Prep Training. Today, we will discuss about Azure Data Lake Storage. With a focus on high performance, big data analytics, Azure Data Lake Storage offers a repository where you can upload and store massive volumes of unstructured data. What is Azure Data Lake Storage? Azure Data Lake Storage is a storage framework that combines a file system and a storage platform to help you easily find data insights. Data Lake Storage Gen 2 extends the functionality of Azure Blob Storage to optimize it specifically for analytics workloads. This integration enhances analytics efficiency, as well as blob storage's steering and data lifecycle management capability, as well as Azure Storage's high availability, security, and durability. Key features of Data Lake Storage: 1. Hadoop-compatible access. 2. A superset of POSIX permissions. 3. Optimized driver. 4. Data redundancy. Why use Azure Data Lake Storage? Following are the reasons as to why Azure Data Lake Storage is to be used. First, scale to match your most demanding analytics workloads. Second, utilize flexible security mechanisms. Third, build a scalable foundation for your analytics. Fourth, cost effectiveness. How to create an Azure Storage account by using the portal. 1. Sign into the Azure portal. 2. Select Create a Resource, and in the text box that states search the marketplace type, Storage Account, and click on Storage Account. 3. In Storage Account screen, click Create. 4. In the Create Storage Account window, in the Basics tab, under Project Details section, ensure that your subscription is selected, and the appropriate resource group. 5. Under the Instance section, define a storage account name. Set the region to Central US. In the Performance Radio button list, select Standard, and set the redundancy to Locally Redundant Storage. 6. Select the Advanced tab. Under the section, Data Lake Storage Gen 2, click the checkbox Next, to enable hierarchical namespace. 7. Select the Review plus Create tab, and click Create. Processing big data by using Azure Data Lake Store. Azure Storage is the foundation for building enterprise data lakes on Azure, thanks to Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Data Lake Storage Gen 2 designed, from the start to service, several petabytes of information, while sustaining hundreds of gigabits of throughput. It helps you to quickly manage massive amounts of data. Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 plays a fundamental role in a wide range of big data architectures. These architectures can involve the creation of: first, a modern data warehouse. Second, advanced analytics against big data. Third, a real-time analytical solution. 4 stages of processing big data solutions. Stage 1. Ingestion. Stage 2. Store. Stage 3. Prep and train. Stage 4. Model and serve. Let's go through all the cases. 1. Data warehousing. 2. Internet of Things capabilities. 3. Support for hybrid cloud environments. 4. Speed to deployment. 5. Advanced analytics for big data. Conclusion: world's most productive data lake is Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. It combines the power of a Hadoop-compatible file system with integrated hierarchical namespace, with massive scale and economy of Azure Blob Storage to help you transition from proof of concept to production faster. Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 is a highly accessible, secure, durable, scalable, and redundant cloud storage service. It's a comprehensive data lake solution. Furthermore, creating an Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 data store may be a useful tool in the development of a big data analytics solution. So, with Azure certification, you can enhance your skills for data lake storage. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.